Ka jing ya teli sisya kalong ka bor. Namar balas sohsat palat ya ka jing sya batbor bat ka jing sya pyniap jung ki katu kat ne ki kante ka jing sya ot kli no jung uwei u samla bat wa ya ka kli jung u halen tiba da ka mensim ka bom la sya syu ni teli ki samla Kuki Zo la kum ki shipai sisya bat penrem ro ya u siam jung ki u biren sing lada dang bakla hang ni ka jing yap kanang jur syu bat le si ka jelamin pur kan saklalong ka jela ka batrim ha haki sengkai klau hang ne ka pausyai balada kanu ka sorkar kamla bante la kam nele siliang ka kenhun king atiar kan sami baik hang ne ngeyo i bakine ki samla ki phong da ki jang phong la kum ki shipai lane ki le no ringkat ki slogan kamen sembat karai banyale persya kinong tombor hari indio ngimpat juyo i sisa kum kane ka jingja ha manipur mynta ka jingja ha Gujarat mensua badang sensar ka BJP kaya stream tek ya kane ka jingja mynta ha manipur balayalam hi da ka BJP ka jingyale hapdeng kine ki artli ki kanhun mynta kadang jurba katba ka jingyale haying dorbar hapdeng ka sorkar bat kaleng persya ru kadang tenam hip hop.
And we will not sacrifice even an inch of our land. Let it be known that many children, women, disabled persons, elderly were also killed in the same inhumane manner. Innocent people which only cowards will harm. Today, we are ready to do whatever it takes to protect our land, our people, and our identity. See, we'd like to take this stage to express that after 65 days of state-sponsored chaos, we will no longer be sitting like lame ducks, waiting to be tortured. Especially when the media has shown their barbarism when they murdered our beloved brother, Jing. We are under attack as long as the dead does not receive justice. It is our responsibility and our right to defend, to retaliate. We will not tolerate intruders in our land.